Hey y'all, today we are making Mediterranean pasta salad. This is so simple and it's delicious. If you've ever had Sam's Club, this is similar to that. So I'm going to start off with my dressing, and I'm doing 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of fresh basil leaves finely chopped, and then I'm going to do a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. For the salt and pepper, we're just going to do that to taste, so you can add that in and then mix up your dressing and taste it. Or you could save that for very last and just put it over top at the end and see if that's enough or not. And then after we do that, I'm going to start boiling my cheese tortellini. So I got the shelf-stable kind over in the pasta section. I'm using a 12-ounce box for this. Once I get that started, I'm going to get my kale. And I just got 1 bunch of kale at the grocery and I washed it really well. And then we're just going to chop this up and take it off the stem, because if you leave it on the stem is really tough. So I slice mine beside the stem on each side and I cut the leaves off and then I just chop them up. I added in about 3 stalks of kale to this. You can always add more if you want at the end. I think that the kale is probably the best part to me, so I wanted to add a little bit more and I ended up doing that. But if you don't like a lot of kale, then don't add a lot. But once we finish chopping that up, we're going to add it to our big bowl that we're mixing this all up in. And then I added 1/2 cup of sliced sun-dried tomatoes, my cheese tortellini that I have boiled and strained. I also rinsed them under cold water. Next, I'm adding in 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And then I've got an 8-ounce package of fresh mozzarella pearls, and I'm going to add that into this. I did add in the whole pack to this, but I feel like that was a little bit too much, so I would say maybe 3/4 of it. Or you could also do feta cheese. I know a lot of people do that in this as well. Next, I added in my dressing, and we're just going to pour this over the top of everything, and then we're going to stir it up really good. You can toss it, whatever, just get it mixed in really well. Make sure everything's coated and evenly mixed. Once you finish that, this is best refrigerated until it's chilled, about 1 to 2 hours, and then this is ready to serve. This was so good and so simple. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe this summer. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And again, thanks for watching. Bye!